Brandon Manufacturing is located 1 hour northeast of Montreal.
Brandon Manufacturing's been in business for over 50 years. Started as a small welding shop.
We manufacture dump bodies for the trucking industry.
And the majority of the manufacturing of the dump bodies are done within this region right here.
And Brandon is a company who's growing more and more and more.
We wanted to get into diversify our product portfolio, so we've looked into the chipper market.
We're known for our innovation and pushing technology.
The relationship with the SSAB has been one of a partnership.
We have an entire team behind us. We have engineers, we have wear specialists.
Their engineers spoke with our management group and our sales group, and that's where that whole idea of using Hardox HiAce as a chipper body came out.
So the HiAce is a product that is very similar to Hardox 450, Hardox 500 Tough in workshop capabilities, same bending, cutting, welding.
Consistency is very important.
You can push it to the limit, there is no issues.
And the result for our customers, it's very efficient.
If you're more consistent, more efficient, well, you can get more product out the door.
It's been an easy journey to work with Hardox HiAce.
It was a no-brainer for us because we already had the trust in, the 500 Tough, in the Hardox 450. We've been using it for years.
But the advantage of the Hardox HiAce, it works much better in corrosive environments.
In corrosive environments, it's better than the Hardox 450. In terms of bending, the properties are the same.
So it's a kind of a perfect product for the arborist industry when you're talking about corrosion resistance. The acidity levels of wood is incredible in steel.
Hardox HiAce would be the perfect product for this application.
Then they did some calculation and then realized that instead of changing their chipper box after 5 years, well, now they can go and have it maybe for 12 or 15 years.
Less maintenance, longer lifetime, and a much stronger body. Choice to go over with HiAce.
We're the only ones right now in North America building chipper bodies out of Hardox HiAce.
Our chipper made of Hardox HiAce. We have the best product currently on the market, the most versatile, the strongest, and the most wear resistant.